If you want to find sources in the RISM online catalog that can be found today in a particular city, state, or country, it is not enough to simply enter the location in the catalog. You must use RISM Library Sigla. For example, let's say you want to find all sources that are located today in libraries, archives, or other institutions in Rome, Italy. If you just enter Rome, you get 1,500 results. This includes works where Rome is part of the title, or mentioned somewhere in the record, or even the composer's name. These pieces are not actually in Rome. Finding sources in a particular location is a two-step process. First, you must know what the RISM Library Siglum is. You can find this out from the online directory of RISM Library Sigla. This is linked on the help page and can also be found on the RISM website. Please see my separate video for details on how to use this directory. Right now I'm going to enter Roma, Rome in the local language, and look at my results. Note that the first part of the siglum, before the hyphen, is the country code. For Italy, it's I. These are the same codes as the ones for international license plates. The capital letters after the hyphen are for the city. For Rome, it's R. The lowercase letters are for the institution. Therefore, any institution in Rome will begin I-R. Keep this in mind, and let's go back to the RISM catalog. The second step is to go to the Advanced Search. Select the field Library Siglum. Enter I-R**. Adding an asterisk is a wildcard and will let you search for all institutions in Rome. Click Search. Now we have over 38,000 sources. This is a lot more than the 1,500 we found using a keyword search. You can conduct a similar search to find all sources in Italy. In the Advanced Search, search for I-**. 115,000 sources in Italy. You can also do a simple search for I-**, but this is not as accurate as using the Advanced Search. With the simple search, you are also finding sources where an Italian siglum is mentioned somewhere in the record, such as in a general note. So, to summarize, first, do a siglum search. Second, use the siglum to search the RISM catalog. If you need any help, let us know in the comments below or send us an email. Thank you for your attention.